The Tata Nexon's infotainment system is central to multimedia and vehicle controls, but can sometimes face issues like freezing or unresponsive touchscreens. Resetting is often the first troubleshooting step. For a soft reboot, hold the infotainment system's power button for 10 to 15 seconds until it restarts. This clears temporary glitches without erasing your data. For persistent issues, perform a hard reset via Settings, System, Reset Options, Factory Reset. This restores the system to default settings and wipes user data, so back up your data first. If the touchscreen isn't responding accurately, enter the Diagnostics menu using the hidden code 4636 and select Touch Calibration to recalibrate the screen's sensitivity. If a soft reboot doesn't resolve the issue, a factory reset might be necessary, but be sure to back up important data first. After a reset, check for available firmware updates via the infotainment system's settings or the My Tata app. Keeping your system updated can prevent future problems. If touchscreen issues persist, try cleaning the screen to remove any moisture or fingerprints. For persistent problems, consider visiting a Tata service center. They can perform more advanced diagnostics and firmware rollbacks if needed. Remember, resets are a valuable first step, but professional assistance might be necessary for complex issues. Also be aware of new over-the-air updates targeting black screen issues.